Hey friends, we are here to do a little side hustle stuffing. Super excited about it, but it should be really quick. So we're gonna get right into it. We're not gonna mess around. We're just gonna do it. I'm gonna show you the money first. Okay, so my Etsy payout was for the month of January. I got it on February 3rd. It was $314. Thank you so much. That was for the whole month of January. So thank you for supporting my shop. If you're interested in anything in my shop right now, I believe I do have a sale on, so go check that out. And also, if you're a member of my Budgeting Besties tier, don't forget you get your unique discount code that you can use anytime, no matter what, in the shop. And we're having so much fun over in our private Discord chat, just chatting back and forth. So if you'd like to join us, consider joining that Budgeting Besties tier. Okay, so 314, that's great. That's, what I expected to do the stuffing with. La la la, fine. But then I went to my bank account to double check the amount, and I saw 150 bucks in there extra. I was like, what? So this money is from, remember I told you I have the supplemental coverages through my insurance, the hospital care, critical illness, accidental injury. And I told you I get $50 per person per plan for doing wellness. Well, I submitted a claim because I had my dental cleaning. So I submitted a claim for that. That counts as one of their wellness requirements. And so I got 150 bucks. Yay! I also submitted a claim for my husband because he also had his cleaning, and that's another 150, but that one comes by paper check because I have direct deposit on, like, for my claims, but because I am not him, even though the plan is under me, that check goes right to him. So when that money comes, I'm gonna have him just hand it over. And it's probably all gonna go towards vacation anyway, but I was not expecting that money, and yeah, super happy about it. So we're gonna stuff all this today. And as I said, the video is probably gonna be pretty quick. Or did I say that? If I didn't, I just did. So yeah, so let's start. Now, I'm not exactly sure on numbers here. Taxes. I know I want to put like probably 200. Let's pull out the binder and see what we have in there. I need to be like really on top of my taxes because the first payment is due in April for 2026. And in addition to that, I still have like a ton of money that I need to save up to pay the accountant to do this year's taxes. Obviously before April, because April is the deadline. So yeah, we need to get on this. I have 143 only in there now. So I think we'll do, if I do 200, yeah, I guess let's do 200 in here. And then I will put some additional towards tax prep to bump that up. This is all prop money because every single dollar of this is going to get transferred into my savings so that it can gain a little bit of interest before I need it. So we're going to add $200 today to taxes. And I'm going to update it on my tracker. Thank you so much for this Etsy money. It is so helpful. You don't even know. So I'm super grateful. Okay, so 200. We should have 343 in here now. 1, 2, 53, 20, 40, 1, 2, 3. Perfect. So 343. So we are slowly inching towards what I need. And let's write taxes 200, and then let's write tax prep. And I don't really probably even need to break it down this much, but I like to take notes. You guys know that. I like to know exactly what I'm doing. So this is done. Let's grab the calculator. And 314, we're doing 200 towards regular taxes. So let's see. We have 114 left. If I do 30, yeah, let's do $30 towards tax prep, which isn't a ton, but it's a bump. It's more than I do in my regular savings challenges, so it's something. And that is going to, once again, help us inch closer to our goal. I may, before I transfer this to savings, take $30 in cash out of the ATM, or I may not. I might just be able to switch it because obviously I need to pay in cash. So this is my challenge. Flush it. It's available in the shop, and it's a little sticker challenge. You get your little sheet of poops. You decide how much you want each poop to be worth, and then you fill your toilet with poop. This would be a great one to save for debt because debt is poop. But as we know, I'm using this for tax prep. These are my oopsie poopsies. And I call them that because they didn't cut right, and I'm using them for myself so they don't go to waste. So what are we doing in here? 30. Let me grab the money. So $30. And let's put on some oopsie poopsies. The question is, where are my scissors? Here we go. Let's see if we could get any of these out without cutting. I think this first one maybe we can pop out. So we're going to do 3 of these today because each of my little poops is worth 10. And how are you? I hope you're doing well. I think this may air on the weekend. So hopefully you're having a great weekend. I'm just going to disregard that. 10. Let's see if we could get 2 more off of here without cutting. Did you watch the Super Bowl last weekend? I did. I don't like sports, but I'm always just in it for the food. Okay. Ooh, I ripped that little guy. That's okay. Let me cut these out real quick and then I'll be right back. Okay, I got my 2 little poops cut out. Hello. And let's stick them on here. We are running out of room. I'm trying to cram these guys in here now. Let's put him upside down. Ouch! He's bumping up against the other poop. Okay, so $30. Let's give it a count. Once again, my goal for this is 400. I don't know if I'll need 400. I hope I don't. That would be excellent. But whatever I don't need is going to come right back into here and start me saving for next year. I never saved for tax prep separately before, and it was always a mistake. Every year when I went to file my taxes, I always said, oh, wait a minute, where's the money coming from to pay for this? And luckily I've been able to figure it out every year. But now that I'm saving for it, obviously I'm going to be more prepared. And so if I do have extra money to put back in here, that's going to give me basically a whole year to save up 400 versus the little time I had this year because I didn't start this until kind of recently. So there we go. So 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. So 280 was that? So that's good. We're almost at 300. I'd still like to get another 120 in there, but we will see if we can make it happen. Okay, so that's 30. We're done with this for now, I guess. And we have $84 left to put in vacation, that means. But we're going to do this too. So we have 150 here from my bonus. And actually, we weren't done with this binder. Oh wait, yes we are. Okay, let's pull out this binder. So I think I'm going to just finish out my Rainbow Kitten Surprise because why not? It's 35, 10, 20, 35. Yeah, let's just go ahead and finish this. And then whatever's left, we'll put it in vacation and we'll add the 84 to it and do a little bit larger of a stuffing in vacation. Hopefully that makes sense. So I'm going to pull out $35 of prop money here. So excited to have this done because I don't need this money for another month. And now I don't have to stuff this anymore. I can focus on other things. Okay, so 35. I'm going to go ahead and color the rest of these in real quick and I'll be right back. Okay, we are all finished. It looks not as good as I thought it was going to. I thought it would look so pretty with all the different colors, and it sort of does, but the coloring is terrible. And that's just because the markers were like a super fine point. You don't care. But I'm telling you anyway. But super duper excited to have this done. It's one less thing I need to worry about now. And let's count it up. 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 30, 45, 55, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 1, 2. So 172 is what we have in here. And just if we add that to what I already spent, saved up and spent, 278. What? 172 plus 278. Yes, 450 exactly. Perfect. That actually doesn't make a lot of sense because there should be like $3 extra in here from one of my little stuffings, but I don't care. It's fine. Hopefully that's going to be enough spending money for me. Obviously, I'm going to try to keep it cheap. We'll see. Okay, so what that means is if we had 150 and we took away 35, we have 115 left to go towards vacation here. But then we had the 84 from this. So we have 199, literally 199. So what I'm going to do is put in 200 and hope that there's $1 in there that I can just take out. So let's see. I really need to bump this up, as I told you guys. Ugh, $21 IOU. Ew. Do I have a real one in here? Yes, perfect. Okay, so take this out and put 200 in. And yay. Okay, now what we need to do is actually do the challenge. Get this out of the way. And subtract our $21 IOU first. So 199 minus 21 is 178, which is what we have to work with. And we are working on Grow Your Savings. This is in my shop. It's a big one, 500 bucks. But as we always say, I need this money and more. So let's just go to town. This is like where I want to get the red flowers. The red flowers are the biggest. They're 35 each. And let's try to hunt them down because, yeah, I have a little bit of money today. So let's see. Okay, a sunflower, that's 30. So that is the next biggest, which is good. So minus 30. Can you even see the calculator? I guess. Okay, let's see. Let's go here. Yes, a red one. Okay, that is good. The red is 35. So we have 113 left. How about here? Okay, that's a pink. That's only 10. We want to save those for last. But that's fine. How about here? Yes, okay. I'm guessing because I'm guessing that I wouldn't put like two big ones next to each other. And so far, I've been pretty good at it. Okay, so that's another 35. We're down to 68 bucks. Can I find another red one? I feel like there should be one down here somewhere. How about here? Okay, that's blue. These stickers don't stick very well, which is why I stopped using them. So 25, that's not too bad. Okay, so we have 43. Can I find another red one? Let's try here. No! That's 15 for this yellow flower. We have 28 left. Let's go here. Yes. Okay, I found another red one. So we are ending with another IOU, but that is pretty much expected at this point. Minus 35. It's only a $7 IOU, which really isn't bad. Okay, but look how much of this we got done. We only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to go. So that is super exciting. All right, let's change the IOU that I literally just wrote because I just filmed the other video right before this. Maybe I will write it in dry erase just so it's easier to erase. And hopefully it doesn't erase when I don't want it to erase. Okay, $7. So let's put that aside and put in the money. Or I think I did already, but let's count it. Yes, okay. So let's see what we got going on in here. 1, 2, 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 95, 3, 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, what? 3 something 8. 328 maybe? I literally, oh my God, my memory is awful. But what I do know for sure is that we are past the halfway mark with that, which is excellent. Okay, that is it for this one, my friends. Probably pretty short and sweet, but regardless, thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. I am so, so grateful for you. I hope you're having an absolutely fantastic day, and I will catch you in the next video.